folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to try a little experiment, see if it's too early to bring tomato plants into the polytunnel. So I brought one down that I had at home, just see hopefully the temperatures will be stable enough to support it. I also bought one of these. So if we clear that, just to monitor what the temperatures are. It was the seeds I planted a couple of days ago. There's been a fair bit of heat in here. It's amazing how dry they've went already. I gave them a real good soaking when I first put them in. And just to keep them damp, I'm going to use this. Just use them a fine spray. So this is part 2 of the video. I came down yesterday to plant some beetroot. Prepared the ground, put some compost of my compost heap. That's the first lot, just to see how nutritious it is. I put about an inch on the bed for the beetroots. Got everything ready. Then realised I forgot to bring the main ingredient, the beetroot. But first of all, let's have a look in the polytunnel and see how that tomato plant's doing. I was in there last night checking, and it got down to 1 degree, so far so good. So let's have a look and see. No, it's still surviving. And the temperature got down to minus 0.3. It's currently sitting at 16 degrees. I'm not really sure what that maximum is supposed to mean, but if anybody knows how that works or if the thing's not working properly, drop me a message in the comments. So anyway, the tomato plant lives to fight another day, but we'll monitor it and see how we go. So I've got 2 rows already prepared. So I'm putting that next to the garlic, because garlic wards off wireworm, flea beetle and aphids, so it helps to protect it. It's obviously quite a strong aroma. So we went for the old faithful Bolt Hardy. I wouldn't worry about thinning the beetroot out, I never do. What you can do is, as the beetroot grows to a decent size, and if it grows in clumps, just carefully take the ones you want to pick, the bigger ones, away from the clump, and then just let others grow on. It saves a lot of messing about, really, to be honest. I've also got another variety called Globe 2 that I've never tried before. Bolt Hardy is a kind of gardener's favourite because it's resistant to bolting. Bolting means when the garlic, the beetroot goes to seed because it thinks it's finished producing. The Bolt Hardy is a bit more resilient to bolting. Anyway, just cover that up like that. The soil's quite damp, so I'm not going to bother about watering it in, and it's forecast for rain, which is another reason that I came down the night and sowed a couple of rows. So I'll be doing succession sowing because you don't want it to be already at the same time. Then we'll get it up and I'll pick along mine. I'm doing I don't know, my last jar for last year, but it's a big jar. So anyway, I thought some of you found that interesting, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.